guys, it's your boy Austin. Today we unboxing my planner that my mom bought me from Michael's. Stay tuned. But I gotta say what I want to say.
No, you just go ahead and start unboxing it.
Right now? Yay! Do my other stuff first.
So what is that? What do you have there?
Sticky notes.
And
eraser. Washing tape. Stickers. Then my planner.
okay, go ahead and open it up for everyone.
Mommy, can I get everything out?
Need help?
Yeah. Help getting everything out.
Okay.
With my planner.
Oh, look, you have a bookmark.
A bookmark? There's a book. Oh, get my planner. But you forgot this, Mommy.
It stay on there. Or you want to take it off?
I'm gonna take it off.
Okay. All right, I'll move all this stuff out the way for you.
Yay!
So what's cool about the planner? Let's look at the cover.
Mommy, it's tape.
So look at the front cover. And what does that say?
It says my. I said my.
It says mine. I don't think it says mine.
What does it say?
It says make today super.
Make today super.
Okay, so then let me take this off for you.
Yeah. It's tape actually.
Ooh.
Tape.
And there is Miss Stephanie. Say hi, Miss Stephanie.
Hey, Miss Stephanie.
She's the one who helped create this from the Happy Planner. Okay, do you want to keep that in there or take it out?
I want to keep it in there.
Okay. So these are your pages. This is your year. And where your month? What month were you born in? What's your birthday?
September.
September?
Right there.
There's your birthday month. So we'll have to do. Maybe we can put a little highlight on your birthday.
It's my birthday
On the 30th. All right. So what else do we have in here?
We have
What are these?
monster trucks.
Oh my goodness, those are awesome. So in August, you're actually going to start playing soccer, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we'll be putting soccer over here.
Okay.
And these are some things that you can do to be a little bit more great than what you already are. It says help a family member, read a new book, give a handmade gift, save up for something special. Do you have any money?
No.
Why you ain't got no money?
I only got coins.
How many coins you got?
1,000.
1,000 coins?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, so that is what August looks like. And then here is the monthly. So what we would do is mark all the important dates that we have in August. So
Even this one?
even that one. We don't really have too many things to mark in August. Like we'll mark when you start school back.
Yeah.
And stuff. We'll do that. Then on here, this is your weekly. So every day we'll come in here and we'll say how our day was. Did we have a good day or was it a not so good day? How many minutes we read our books, and then anything that you had to do. So like on Mondays you have to do making up your bed. On Tuesdays something else, whatever you have to do on those days, we'll start putting them in there so you can start seeing what you have planned and what you have to do. Does that sound cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So that's what this looks like. So that's pretty much everything in there. That's what the weekly spreads look like, which is really cool.
Mommy, I want to write on this one.
You want to write in there?
Yeah.
Why do you want to write on that one?
Because that one was longer.
What's up? This is September.
It says September?
Mm-hmm.
This?
Yep. It says September.
You put it on there?
Yep. So September 30th is right there.
You put it on there?
So let's see it. You have your sticker book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can open it?
Yep, we can open your sticker book and let's see if there's a birthday sticker. There's some Christmas stickers. There's trick or treat. Some sports. Oh, we can use one of these.
Yeah.
Which sticker do you want to use?
I want to use the cake.
The cake? Okay.
I want the orange one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try to pull this off. Okay. And then I'm going to let you stick it. It has to go right there. There you go. Whose birthday is that?
September.
That's your birthday. What day is that? When's your birthday?
September
30th. And then Mommy's birthday is September 23rd.
So yours by mine?
Yeah, so look, our birthdays are right by each other. Boom.
So our birthday at the same month?
It's in the same month and a week apart from each other. That's really cool. So we've marked our birthdays there. So we have our birthdays down. So let's just look at the rest of them. We have October. This is what October looks like. Uncle Mikey's birthday is in October. TT Tanya's birthday is in September too. You want to put a cake on her birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see which one I'm going to put on hers.
Okay.
Yeah, now I'm going to put
A balloon?
I want this one. No, this one.
The purple one?
Yeah.
Okay. And her birthday is on the 8th. There, it's right there. So you can stick it on the number 8.
So 8, but so is 8 September.
The 8th of September is TT Tanya's birthday.
TT Tanya's birthday with ours.
In our same month. There you go. And then, okay, so we went on to October. So you want to put one down for Uncle Mikey's birthday?
Yeah.
Which one you want to put for Uncle Mikey's birthday?
November.
So you want the red one?
Yeah.
I think this color is Uncle Mikey's favorite color too. And his birthday is on the 21st. So we put that right there?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah. Then, when's T's birthday?
Okay, so let's keep going.
When's T's birthday?
Then we have November, and it says always be brave. And then December. Ooh, what's that?
Shark.
Oh my goodness.
Sharks no bite.
Then January, climb trees, do somersaults, catch a critter, dream, build a fort, explore, say please and thank you, read books, ask questions, and go fishing. You went fishing the other day, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So we can go fishing. Mom, what is
This
say?
is February, and it says play more.
No.
And then March says rad. And then April, that's like a treasure map, isn't it? That's so cool.
I know how to get to the treasure. You just gotta go like this, then go like that, then go like that, then go like that, then go like that, then go like that.
And boom, you're at the treasure. Awesome sauce. Okay, then we have May, and it says, what's a shark's favorite kind of sandwich? Peanut butter and jellyfish. And then here's June, and it says boom, pow, zing. And then we have the last month in the planner is July, and it says never give up. So you have a planner for a whole entire year.
I want to put one of these on here.
For what? What are you gonna mark?
I'm gonna like put it where me and your birthday is.
Okay, so let's go back to what month?
September.
Okay, let's go back to September.
September.
Uh-oh. It's a little hard to turn. You can't turn all the pages at one time. Okay, September. And you want to put what down there?
This one of the things over here.
One of these?
Yeah.
It's kind of big. Okay.
Like almost big as my birthday. This one gonna be mine.
That's fine.
And yours gonna be a different color.
Okay.
It's gonna be pink on it.
Can you peel it off or you need help?
I need helping.
Oh, this one's a big one.
I wish I can get this one, but you have it.
You gonna put it over? Okay, that's cool. Oh no! Okay. Oh! Okay. All right. Okay, so those are our birthdays. And I think Chandler's birthday is on the 10th.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put...
Okay, we'll do everybody's birthdays another time because you have too many cousins and stuff to put in there.
Mom, I played Minecraft.
So, yes. All right. So you're going to thank everybody for watching your video?
Yeah. Thank you for watching my video.
What you supposed to say at the end?
Bye, guys.
Okay,
Bye.